He's dead. Let's get straight into it. I'm about to show y'all what y'all need. So first, you're gonna need some thread, obviously, thread and needles. Thread doesn't dye, so it doesn't really matter what color you pick. It doesn't matter what color because you're not gonna be able to see it anyway. So you're gonna need some dye, you need some scissors, obviously, because you gotta cut the pants and all of that. Let's get straight into it. So you guys wanna get 2 pairs of pants of the same color, right? You're gonna decide which ones you want. You want to be on the top and which ones you want to be at the bottom. So I thought the first ones had a better design, so I made those ones my starting pants. I'm gonna cut the second pair of pants like right at that seam. Like you basically want to make a pair of shorts. That's all you want to do. So that's your first pant leg to the stag jean, right? You could cut the bottom however you want. Like you could make it messy. You could put tassels in there or whatever. It's up to you. So after you got both the pant legs, right, you want to grab it and cut the bottom off. You don't want it to be tight. So I just cut that little extra part off. I'm about to speed it up again. Cut this little part off. Boom. That's the first leg. You don't want that at all. You want to do all the pant legs first and flip them inside out. I have both the pant legs completed. Now I'm gonna flip them inside out, flip the seams on the outside. So now what you want to do is you're just gonna put the pant leg that you just cut out over the top of the jeans. I just was laying them out to make sure they're equivalent length. Grab it, push the leg through, and pull it all the way up. Basically putting pants on pants. It's that simple. So this is what it should look like. Both the ankles should be lined up. I'm just making sure the seams are aligned and making sure everything's lined up. Boom, that's how it looks. Perfect. So you're gonna want to do this for the other leg. Boom. Both my legs are done. Just in case you guys didn't understand, that's what it's gonna look like. The pant legs on the pants, you see it? So now you're going to sew it together. Not gonna lie, took me a little minute. I got my mom to help me. The joint was kind of hard, but I will be getting a sewing machine. That's why I haven't made a pair of stacks in a minute. But the next fit I post on Instagram should have some black stacks or something, because that's valid drip in my opinion. As you see, I was a little confused, man. I was really trying, but like I was only able to do a little section of it. Sew the whole thing twice, just in case. Alright, so you're gonna wanna peel the legs down, and that's what it looks like. As you guys see, bottoms are a different color because they were just a little shade off. That's why I dyed them. So now we're on to the dyeing. Boom. Fill the bucket up with warm water. Let's just rinsing the clothes off because you're supposed to have clothes wet before you dye them. We're gonna put, I think it was half a cup of salt. I use sea salt because, I already had that from my dreadlock videos. I just used the rest of the can because that's all I had. Gonna want to put that in the water. Stir that around for like a minute, 30 seconds. Then you're gonna want to add some dish soap in there. We didn't really measure it, we just put it in there. Stir that around. That smells so good, oh my god. I knew orange came from red and yellow, but I didn't know how much to mix. So at the beginning, I think the red was too bright. So I added more yellow. I ended up using the whole yellow can, I'm pretty sure, and like half the red. Yeah, it definitely was half the red. But I did go half and half for this, like at the beginning. sure got a good mix. I tested the color. That's not the color I wanted, so I added the whole thing in yellow. Mix it around. Didn't think I was gonna like the color, but it came out pretty nice. So I put the jeans in there. I left them in overnight. Gotta poke and get all the air bubbles out so the jeans are fully submerged, or whatever you're doing, pants. Fully submerged. I just kept tossing it around so the color was evenly distributed. This is the outcome. I actually like how it's like not fully one color, like it's kind of like a splash of yellow, red, and orange. Like it looks really good. So next I tie-dyed them because Halloween. This is how they came out. I'm going to clean up the tie-dye because I didn't think you guys needed to know how to tie-dye. That's self-explanatory. Then I rinse the tie-dye out. And this is the stacks, bro. Tell me those aren't fire. I wish the black stayed that color, but the black did kind of fade a little bit, just a little bit. But I still think they came out really nice. And I wish they were a little bit tighter. Gonna rinse it again. Washer and dryer. That's how they came out, man. Boom. Tell me how y'all think they look, bro. I think they came out pretty good. What they look like on body. And I did get them to shrink around like, you know, my leg area because I didn't like how baggy it was. This is another angle. Boom. Yeah, the back was too baggy. I had to, you know, shrink them a little bit. About to show y'all some more pictures. This is a little edit for Halloween that I posted or whatever. That's how they turned out. I made them tighter, as you see. I think they came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out, my boys.